Hello and welcome to another Hall of Fame story for the Career Acceleration Mastery Success. We have one of our most successful mentee who has turned around his career within 1 month time. Let me welcome Parishek Garg in this Hall of Fame. He has achieved something which we all dream of in the most conservative field of supply chain. He has been able to achieve 55% hike in the fix as well as 42% overall hike within the 1 month time. So welcome to the Hall of Fame, Parishek, and many congratulations on this success.
Thanks a lot, Rakesh. It is indeed a pleasure to be with you, and it was an awesome journey to be with the CAM and with your guidance, which has helped me to garner such kind of a results in such a short span of time.
Thank you very much, Parishek. So help us understand. I'm sure there must be a lot of things going on in your mind when you joined the camp. What was your reason for joining that career acceleration mastery? Because most of the mid-career professional, they come, they watch the training, but they don't take any action. So what was your reason for action?
I think I can say that when I first was there in a demo session, I did realize that there are so many things which are actually in my mind, and this program was actually directly communicating with me. It was kind of a shell shocking moment to know that a person who is into a corporate for 10 to 15 years, having put up so much of dedication, so much of efforts, but they are not able to reach the pinnacle or the absolute potential that they are capable of. But this program actually helps to catalyze in the way of changing your mindset, making it boundaryless, to break that shackles and to come out with your natural potential. So those are the certain things I can realize this program have been offering to the candidates, and this is really a fantastic course for any kind of professionals with my kind of work experience. They will get so much value out of it. This is all I can vouch for the program.
Thank you very much, Parishek. So I think you have now reached to a leadership position, which is a very short after position, right? In a very short time as well. So what are the 2 or 3 things from the career accession mastery which has helped you to achieve this kind of success?
I think as we have you have been telling us, functional skills are something which most of the people either they acquire in terms of their academia or while being on the job. But what happens is there are certain vital skills, which is like soft skills, leadership skills. A lot of so what happens? You need altogether different level of your skills which are required to manage the people, be in the management cadre, and those are the certain areas where the camp program will help us to work upon to how to prepare for a leadership interviews, for a leadership round, to prepare for the situational kind of questions. Okay, how do you work upon your strengths, your weakness, and how to present that during an interview which does not lead into some controversial stuff. So a lot of time what happens when you start talking about your weakness in an interview, it takes you in a wrong direction.
Absolutely.
But the camp program tells you how to put forward your weakness in a way that does not project on a negative side of you, but in a way you can project it as one of your learning areas. So that is one area where the camp programs actually help us. And secondly, I think it is about the negotiation skills, because this is one of the most critical area where as you have said, like many times what happens that HR as a community, they lowball you and they try to uh, done with the negotiation at a very lower range. So the salary negotiation is the another area which help you unleash and to get to your real whatever you are actually deserving. So that is another area which is very helpful.
Absolutely. And you have done a fantastic job in achieving that 55%, which is normally not possible for the people to achieve in this field as such, right? Now, help us understand, now that you have gone through the CAM and you are probably still need to go through some of the aspects of the CAM as well. what is that you see yourself as a future vision for yourself in your career?
Okay, so I think uh, being into the next phase of my career journey, I believe it is all about you need to continuously hone your people management skills. You need to continuously work on how do you inspire people, right?
Correct.
So it is also about you need to develop a lot of emotional intelligence. So
Yes.
so so what I've heard in the industry that these days functional skills, leadership skills are all there for a long period of time. These theories have been in existence in management since long. But what happens? The EQ and the IQ are the two areas which are called to be the next holy grail of the leadership.
Yep.
And if you're not able to do that, if you're not able to connect with the people, if you do not able to understand the motivation of the people working in a corporate, it is difficult that you will be able to differentiate you as a unique leader. It will be difficult to project you differently among a set of people, among a group of people, and that is where those kind of skills are absolutely vital nowadays.
Absolutely. And you rightly mentioned, because see, a lot of people have those skills and knowledges which is available either on the job like you mentioned or the through the degree, but leveraging that skill and knowledge at a practical ground is what is required right now. And EQ and IQ both together need to be there to probably leverage that. And that you rightly pointed out and very well said, Parishak, on this. Now, there are a lot of people who come to us. I think in the last 2 years, I can count that more than 12,000 plus professionals have gone through such a session where I showcase them the career acceleration mastery, the benefits of it, the community that we have built. Over the last 2 years, we have been able to build close to 2,000 Indian professional and 3,500 total people across the world. Now, help me understand, if a mid-career professional like you who feel that I know it how to build a career, right? How to find a job is a very easy, it's a cakewalk, right? What do you suggest them to probably look at their career differently that you have found in the career accession mastery?
Okay, so I think very aptly said by you, Rakesh. What happens when we once we cross a work experience of 10 years or so, individual feels that I am really capable of, and I will be able to move up the ladder without putting in any extra efforts. But what happens? They generally don't realize that to move to the next level, okay, you need some different set of skills altogether. So what has brought you here will not take you forward is a very
Absolutely.
famous proverb, what I've heard, and I think this applies similarly to professionals who are having a mid career. Where they feel that they are not able to move forward, and what happens is they need to have a critical self evaluation of themselves, and they need to understand that it is nothing to be ashamed about. They need to understand what are their weak areas, and until unless we don't do that, it will be difficult to move forward in our career. So
Absolutely.
this is one area which people should as a professional who are really interested in moving up into the corporate ladder, they seriously need to have a self introspection. So
Excellent.
that is where I think this program is really beneficial, and it will give you that flavor in the very early days only. Okay, so it will help you to broaden your perspective, open your mind, and be ready for learning something different, something new.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Parishek, for bringing out that perspective, because a lot of people feel like, oh, it is another a job search program. Unfortunately, it is not, because I don't tell people that this is for the job. I always tell them that it is to take charge of your career and it
I
is to
agree.
transform your career. And that is what I mean completely, and I believe in.
Yeah.
So I am very happy that you have probably taken the efforts to go through it, apply it, and achieve the result in a very, very short time. So, any message that you want to give to our camp fellows or anybody in the outside in the market?
I think I will just give them one message, like just like you spend a lot of money on your different extracurricular activities, I would suggest go and spend something on yourself, on your professional development, to enhance your own self-image. And I think the course is coming at a very, very attractive amount to the candidates. They should not feel shy of spending a small amount, and believe me, it is going to give you more than 100x ROI on the kind of investment you are going to do in this program. So,
thank you very much. I'm really, really grateful for those words, actually. And this is about the transformation. And I'm truly honored to have you here, because I believe that you as a person, or the mid-career professionals who are in the community right now, who are growing together in the company of all the 2,000 people, is what drives me every day. And this is what I live for and die for, kind of thing. So thank you very much for this Hall of Fame interview, Parishek. I believe you are now on your journey towards the success. You have just reached to a next level. And this is a time for you to now up your game in all the aspects of your career. That is, your personal development needs to exceed your professional development, because professionally, you are very much expert. But personally, you need to reach to that level where you can probably achieve the success that you are already there. So wish you all the best with that.
Thanks a lot, Rakesh, and my sincere thanks to you for providing such a beautiful program for the candidates, which has a unique blend of required competencies.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Parishek. And viewers, this is, if you are listening to this either on the YouTube or any other channel, make sure that you subscribe to it, and probably hit the bell icon on my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about the journey that these professionals are going through, please click on the link and register on live workshop with me on www.rakeshrana.co, RAAKESH, so that you meet me live in the workshop, where I'll show you how you can transform and take charge of your career in the mid-level. So till we meet in the next success story, thank you very much, and God bless everyone.